Please do not try to get lucky when it comes to YouTube. Please do not try to get lucky, because you won't. Our generation is the unluckiest. We just got a virus at the beginning of 2020. According to Tubular Labs, in September 2019, 15 million creators uploaded over 80 million videos on YouTube every month, which means an average of 5-ish videos per month per creator, whereas the average creator uploads 5 videos every month, a little bit over a video a week. Over 16,000 people have over 1 million subscribers. Golden play button. And in many niches like mine, you can make a few $1,000s per month with just 10-20k subscribers. And YouTubers like Graham Stephen with around 1 million are making over 160k per month from just YouTube, from Google AdSense. Not to mention all the traffic they're getting from YouTube that they can convert into paying clients within their niche, coaching, mentorship, and most importantly,
digital courses.
In this video, you will learn very practical things. How to get your first 100 subscribers, yeah, they're the hardest. What videos to make, how to choose the right topics, how to create the right script, and how to engage an audience. Yes, not how to grow an audience, how to engage an audience. I'll explain why, so keep on watching. My name is Dr. Nicky. Yes, my name is Doctor and my family name is Nicky, not really. And I help businesses and social media accounts fix their growth and scale their business by laying down what I know within this video. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you give this video a like, because this really helps me out. And you know, instead of drinking a really nice craft beer, I'm over here playing this video. Okay, I might be drinking while creating it. So let's start with the most anticipated. This is very interesting. How to get your first 100 subscribers. The first way I can help you to get your first 100 subscribers is if I shout you out. How can I shout you out on my channel? And right now we're getting 1.52k views a day, which is pretty good, because like 2 months ago we were getting 100-ish. I will shout you out at the end of one of my next videos if you comment down below your YouTube channel and what it is about. I pretty much shout out everyone right now that's doing that, so it's a free shout out for you. This can really help you get at least a few subscribers. But the second way that you can get your first 100 subscribers, it's gonna be sweat equity. You gotta do some stuff, and I'll show you by bringing you to my computer. So I'm on my computer right now, and I can show you how you can grow your first 100 subscribers by just commenting on relevant channels to yours. For example, let's say that you are in the do-it-yourself niche. So what you can do is go on YouTube and type in do-it-yourself. And I see some channels like Home Dead, Jazz Dank, 123 Go, Creative Ideas, Hacktuber. How can we grow by just watching these videos? The way to do that is by actually going on their channel and clicking two very important things. Clicking subscribe and the bell notification with all notifications. That's what we got. And you do that on all of these channels, on her, Jazz Dank, this guy, right? You do it on all of these channels. The reason why you would do that is when a creator like this that has over 100k subscribers, 4 million views of this video, just uploads a video and you comment first, because when you get the notifications, you see an email notification on your phone, stuff like that. You can go on the video and post and be the first comment or one of the first 20 comments. On a video that's getting millions of views, you have millions of eyeballs on your comment. So if you comment something like, I really like the do-it-yourself, I actually did something similar on my channel, but I think I messed it up. Something like this, right? And when you do that, when you subscribe to 100, 200 people, and you're constantly waiting for the notifications to go be one of the first comments, you can definitely get from 5 to 7 subscribers a day. And if you do it correctly with good comments, you have a good profile photo, you can get your first 100 subscribers in around 2 weeks. By good photo, I mean something like that's branded, that explains what you're doing, and your name shouldn't be something like Rumpelstiltskin, right? This is not a good idea. If you're in the do-it-yourself niche, it can be and you're called Jane, it could be do-it-yourself Jane, for example. So people that are seeing this comment on a do-it-yourself channel will see, oh, it's another do-it-yourself channel, right? And she just commented about a do-it-yourself video. Let's check her out, right? So you're basically leveraging other people's traffic on their already successful channels to get their audience eyeballs on your content. So now that you know how to get your first 100 subscribers, and after watching this video you start using your fingers and just subscribing to a lot of channels. And by the way, if you're in the business, YouTube, Instagram niche, I really condone you advertising your channel on my videos. So you can do that, you can subscribe to this channel, click the bell notification and do that because I want to help you grow. And I think we can coexist together in this niche. So what videos should you make? So what videos should you make? Obviously you gotta niche down, you gotta know what your niche is, and I'll explain why you need to understand exactly what your niche is. Because to implement a good strategy that can help you choose the right keywords, the right video topics that you can actually rank for, not just cool topics that you thought it was a good idea to have, like cool business ideas you have when you're sitting and eating your lunch or dinner or talking with friends, actual actionable video ideas that will actually rank, guaranteed to rank, or this is what we're after, right? And the first thing you can do, and I'm saying that in pretty much every other video that I make, the best course you can take is actually to research your competitors. Your competitors are doing what you want to be doing. If they have a higher view per day rate, higher subscriber rate, making better videos than you, and they're within your niche, there are a free course that you can take by just analyzing their channel. What you can do is go on your competitors' channels and just go on the videos they have, sort them by most popular, and see what videos outperformed by views for their audience. And chances are, if those keywords are keywords you can rank for, and we'll go over that in a little bit, these are keywords you can start. I implemented that, and this literally changed my channel from 100-ish views to 2K views in just 2 months from just using this strategy. Tip number, I'm pretty sure it's free, how to choose the right topics. Yes, I said the right topics because, quite frankly, you can choose the wrong topics. What? I swear you just made that up. No, I didn't. Pinky promise.
I pinky promise.
You can't go back on a pinky promise. A pinky promise.
Pretty interesting to understand that the wrong keywords topics are not keyword topics that weren't cool enough, right? Maybe they were a really cool idea, something that you came up while you had a shower, while you were in the toilet, this voila moment you had, but you won't necessarily rank for them, especially as a new channel, especially as a beginner. So the right topics are actually topics that you can rank for. I have a video on how to choose the right topics, like literally a step-by-step guide that you can see in the cards above. But a general pro tip that you need to know is you need to install TubeBuddy, and I have a link for it in the description down below. You can install it for free. Some stuff are paid, but you definitely need it as a YouTuber. And then what you do is you go on Keyword Explorer and check the keyword ideas you had. For example, do-it-yourself beer, craft beer, stuff like that. And you want to check for words that have a keyword score of 70 to 90. This is the pro tip. This is the easiest way to put it. Just find keywords, you write down like 100 words, keyword ideas that you had, and in an Excel sheet, and you just filter them out on 70 plus score, and on the 70 plus score you start with the best ones, the best ideas you had. These are the right keywords. Please do not try to get lucky when it comes to YouTube. Please do not try to get lucky, because you won't. Our generation is the unluckiest. We just got a virus at the beginning of 2020. So now we go on to how do we create a good script for our videos. How do we write a script for a video that can actually capture the retention of people? And when seeing my script, it's gonna be kind of meta, because you'll be seeing my script as I'm writing it and reading it about writing it and reading it. You get the point. What? So here is how my script looks like. So I basically use Google Drive before I use my notes because I was writing my script on my iPad. It was easier to drag and drop some images. And basically this is the title, how to grow YouTube from 0 subs. This is a keyword that I know for a fact has a very good score. This term, how to grow on YouTube, had 1.6k search volume per month globally, so that's around 50 a day. So if I rank top spot, that's 50 views a day from search from just this keyword, but people search this and a lot of variants like how to grow on YouTube from 0 subs. These are the keyword tags that I use. How to grow on YouTube 2020, from 0 subscribers, blah blah blah. And I'll add some more when I'm uploading the video. Then I have the B-roll footage they wanna shoot. I didn't use any B-roll prior, and it was a mistake. It really helps with the retention. It really gets people watch a little bit longer. So here is the B-roll. B-roll 1, B-roll 2. Then the video starts. It starts with the intro. I always try to have some statistic or drop at the beginning. Here it is. And then it's planned out. Point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's the shoutout winner. And whenever I have something like a card that check this video out, I add it. So I can make people binge watch or watch another video of mine after finishing this video, which by the way really helps me out. And tip number 5 is reply to every single comment, every single DM on Instagram, every single interaction you have on your channel, every single email from a fan. Reply to everything as soon as you can. You cannot expect people to care about your comments, spend the time watching 10, 20, 30 minutes of your video. By the way, if you're still watching this video, comment down below at which minute you're still at. But yeah, you can't really expect people to care about you if you don't care about them. Reply to everything. And now algorithmic reason why you would do that is actually that it gives you a boost within the YouTube algorithm. Meaning that the more comments you reply to, the more engagement YouTube sees that you have on your video, the more they will recommend it against your competitors' videos in your niche. And you can also engage with your audience on Instagram. By the way, if you want to follow me on Instagram and see what I'm doing there to engage with my audience, and we just hit 10k followers there, you can definitely follow me at drnicky.co. And what you can do there to engage your audience is create cool stories with posts, go live, have behind the scenes of the videos, how you're writing the scripts, what goes on in your life, in your business, while you're not recording, which is most of your day. What do you eat? But don't just post food and dog photos, cat photos. Don't do that. Don't be that person. Try to get on a personal level with your audience. This will definitely help you out. And now, something that I can help you out again with is the shoutout rules. Okay, let's go hunting for shoutout winners. And again, if you didn't comment so far, but you're hesitating on whether you should comment, we're getting around 2k views lately from 600 a month ago, and if we go on February, I was getting like 100 views a day on some days, right? 170, 140. So we're growing at a rapid rate. So when you comment and you get shouted out, you have evergreen people, like people who keep watching this video forever and can go on your channel. So make sure you do that. But when we go on our comments right here, I reply to every single comment as you can see here. But the first shout out winner will be Ben Kenobi, who says it's pretty tough to get ranked. I started my music channel 2 weeks ago. It's a damn struggle. I say yeah, for music definitely. Help the clients rank in the music niche. Karaoke and remixes are easier to rank. Yeah, they are. And or covers, they can also help. And if I go, I have a lot of likely spam videos that I should check. Maybe it's someone is actually posted there. And yeah, I can see that he just posted 900 views in 2 weeks is not bad at all. Spotify playlists, they can help, but definitely a struggle. I would say grow an Instagram account and convert the audience from there. This is what worked for a few clients that I have. I've worked with 3 music clients so far, and 2 were in different niches. Instagram was the main traffic, and they were up and coming artists. One had over 100k followers and the other 2 had 20k, and this was all their traffic came from there, and they got booked and stuff like that. My recent videos top traffic is from browse features. Even though the views are not a lot, it's cringy because hey, I'm showing results. Yeah, browse features is actually home page, not actually results, but it's insane. I want to get browse features. I didn't get any. And then we have Romy Ives, who says it's about Instagram stalker videos. He says, nice haircut. Thanks, means a lot. Thanks. I won't do it again though. So this is so much for this video. Remember that video day keeps the doctor away, and remember that this is no financial advice, this is no medical advice. I'm not disappearing from the video, but definitely check one of these videos out by the end of this video. See you in the next one. Bye.